Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the home screen styles and the navigation system on the Poco X7 Pro. This is super useful if you want your phone to feel more personal, cleaner, and much more comfortable to use. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your settings app and then now just scroll down until you see home screen. This one, just tap on it. And then this will take you the customizations options for your layout like this. And then inside this home screen, just tap on home screen, this one. And then over here you have two main choices, classic mode and with app drawer mode. The classic mode is the mode that I'm using right now. Classic mode puts all your apps directly on the home screen, just like this. Everything is right in front of you, simple, easy, and fast to access. And then next, it has with app drawer. If you choose this mode, your phone will add an app drawer like this. You can just swipe up to see all your apps organized in one place like this. This will give much cleaner and less crowded home screen. Just like this. And then from these two choices, just choose whichever layout that feels more comfortable for you. And personally, I prefer classic mode because it looks simple and everything is easy to read. And then next, let's customize the navigation system. Just go back and then still in the home screen settings, just scroll down until you find the system navigations. This one, just tap on it. And then in here you will see two navigations options. First, it has a button navigations. This is the classic navigations bar at the bottom with three buttons, back, home, and recent apps like this. It's very straightforward and familiar, and you can also customize shortcuts if you want. And then next, it has gesture navigations. If you choose these gesture navigations, the buttons will disappear like this, and it will replace with the swipe controls. Your phone will automatically show a tutorial like this. Just tap on learn to see the gesture instructions. Here's how they work. To go to home, just swipe up quickly from the button like this. And then for the recent app, just swipe up and hold for a moment like this. And then to go back, just swipe from the left or right edge of the screen like this. Okay, and then just tap on done. And if you want to practice, you can also check the gesture mode right here. Over here, gesture mode may take a little time to get used to, but once you're comfortable, it feels super smooth and give you more screen space. And okay, that's it. You can easily customize both your home screen layout and your navigation system on the Poco X7 Pro, whether you prefer the simplicity of the classic modes with buttons or the cleaner modern look of an app drawer with gesture navigations. It's all about what feels best for you. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.